Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're back on the E36. We're outdoors. Weather's starting to finally get nice here in New England, and it's kind of crunch time to get this car back together. Best case scenario, we're done towards the end of April. Best case, beginning of May. I don't want to rush it back together, but still have a lot of stuff to do. But today, since it's nice outside, I'm going to start removing some of the interior pieces I don't need anymore. One of them is going to be the sunroof cartridge. And as you can see, it's sagging there in the back. Super common problem on these. So I'm going to show you how to take the headliner out, which in my case I'm not putting back in, so I might destroy it upon removal, and that's fine. Like I said, it's mostly going to be a track car. I'm going to take that out along with the sunroof cartridge, and I'm going to show you the solution that I'm putting in its place. Alright. So the entire headliner on this car is held in with whole bunch of seals, whole bunch of screws, and we're going to start from the front, work our way towards the rear. Everything seems to be like it's going to be Phillips heads so far. And you know, most of the stuff is not going back in the car, so I'm probably just going to discard of it. These pieces were already broken. The A-pillar trims, they had been removed before. They weren't in great shape anyway, so that cracking is me just finishing the job. Now we have this sunroof seal right here. This also holds the headliner in place. So as I pulled that out, you probably saw it drop a little bit. Even if I want to reuse this headliner, it's in such rough shape I wouldn't be able to. Yeah, I think this is folded before when it was last removed. I'm assuming that's how it got removed from the car when it got rewrapped. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out the back door here. Like I said, even if I want to reuse this headliner, It's already in really rough shape, so it's going to the dumpster. So right there's the drive mechanism that turns, it's like a gear almost, on the cable. So these are all your sunroof motor cables right here, or all the sunroof cartridge cables. But that's the sunroof motor right there. Looking at this here, you know, we have a couple of drain tubes. Those go down towards the fender well. There's a couple of front and rear, so there's 4 of those you have to remove. But a bunch of these, they're probably T25 or T27 fasteners. Only have this T20 driver with me. I did not really plan ahead to do this job this weekend, but it'll work. Woo! Alright, and that's pretty much how you get the sunroof cartridge out of your E36. Like I said, I'm not too concerned about the interior in this car. Most of it's going to be coming out. I mean, even the drivers and passenger seat in the front, I'm going to replace them eventually anyway. So if something happened to them during that process, it is what it is. Now, obviously, if you care about the interior of your car, I'd recommend, you know, removing the seats and not having the potential for it to, you know, cut the fabric or something like that. But other than that, pretty straightforward process, super easy to do. I mean, I was actually amazed how easy it was to remove on this car. And then up next, we're going to be installing the sunroof delete panel from Hard Motorsport. I got the carbon fiber one, only because I really don't want to bother painting a fiberglass one. Just want to be able to put something in that kind of somewhat blends in, and the car's black, so obviously it's not really going to be that notable. So it should just go into place and should look pretty good, but the installation on that shouldn't be too hard because it's pre-drilled and we're going to reuse a lot of the factory hardware. We'll only have to drill holes in the rear to fit it, but that's going to be a different video. Hope you enjoyed it. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the comment box below. Please comment, rate, subscribe. You can also follow me along on Instagram at Gareth Foley. My handle's in the description below. And as always, I'll see you for the next one. Thanks for watching.